Welcome to GetintoIAS. This session is the continuation of the previous one. Practice problems on geometric progression. The first question is, if 4x and 256 are in a GP, then you will have to find the x. It is clearly stated this is in the form of GP. So what is the basic pattern of GP? The second term divided by the first term, which is said to be the common ratio, right? Which will always be equal to the third term divided by second term. If you are well versed in this concept, you can easily crack this question. It will not take much time to calculate these things. So here x is the second term, first term is 4 and 256 is the third term divided by the second term x. So these two values will be equal always. So while dividing this, what you will get? This is the common ratio. Here also the common ratio. Now simply in order to find x, you can cross multiply these values. Why? Because they are equal to each other. Let's do that. Cross multiplying x into x square will be equal to 4 into 256. What is 4 times 256? Which is 4 into 250, 1000. 4 into 6, 24. 1024. So x square is equal to 1024. What is the value of x? Simply the square root of 1024. Let's find what is the value for square root of 1024 using the square root technique. So what is the last digit? 4. So 2 square will give you the result at end with 4. 8 square will end with 4. So simply the number must be either end with 2 or either end with 8. So here skipping the last two digits, I am focusing on the 10. Why I am skipping last two digits? Because it is square root. So 2 places I will have to ignore. After ignoring, I am getting 10. 10 is closer to what square? 3 square is 9. So below level the number is 3. So here we can say 3 is the preceding number. The next number is 2. Or 3 is the preceding number. The next number is 8. You are having two options. Either it must be 32 or 38. So looking at the option, you are getting 32 in the D. 38 which is not presented in any of the option at all. From this you can say answer for this question is 32. 32 is being the middle number. So or else sometimes it may also be given in the option. In such a case, how to determine the best correct result? So that is making dummy number. By processing this, you will be get rid of one wrong answer. You can focus on the correct answer. How means dummy number is what is the common number in both the cases? 3 is the common number. So next number 3 is to be multiplied with 3. That is dummy number nothing. So 3 into 4 which is going to be 12. My dummy number is 12. What is the given number? That is what we have taken after ignoring. That is 10. 10 is what? Given number. So I am taking here given number is 10. Dummy number is 12. So what is the comparison? Says the 10 is less than the dummy number. So our given number is less than the dummy number. Choose the lesser among the final alternative. So here suppose the given number is greater than the dummy number, always you must have to choose the highest number. Here my answer is lower. So I can choose 32 is the final result. The next question. The second term of the GP is 18 and the fifth term is 486. Find the common ratio. So usually how will be the pattern of a GP in the second term? It will be A into R. So next thing is given fifth term. In the fifth term, A into R power n minus 1. So we can say which is 4. I have written the pattern wise. value for them. Afterwards, you can write the real value what is given in the question. Second term is 18 and the fifth term is said to be 486. Now we want to know about the R value. So let's divide both the equations together. A divided by A, 1, 1, 1. So here R power 4 divided by R. So here which is R into R into R into R divided by R. So finally I am getting R cube. So here this is R cube. Afterwards 486 to be divided by 18. So twice you can take with 9 and with 2. So 2 times 9 is 18. 5 times 9 is 45, then 36. 4 times 9 is 36. 1 times 2, 27. Finally, R cube which is equal to 27. So after cancellation with this, I am getting 27. Simply, R cube is equal to 27. If R cube is equal to 27, what is R? Simply 3 into 3 into 3 cube root. So finally, R is 3 simply. So finally, R is 3 which is given in the option A. The next question, find the sum to infinity 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 10. This is a decreasing series of infinity. So let me take 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 which is going infinitely. So what is the value of A, R and all? A is simply 10,000. What is R? 1,000 by 10,000 which is going to be 1 by 10. So if you take 100 divided by 1,000 also, you will be getting the same value 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is less than 1. So here we can say R is less than 1. Now what to do for the infinity series for the summation? The formula, when R is less than 1, sum of infinity which is equal to A by 1 minus R. What is A? 10,000 divided by 1 minus what is R? 1 by 10. So what is 1 minus 1 by 10? Which is simply 9 by 10. So simply you got the final answer 10,000. Here the division can be gone into multiplication. While making multiplication, take the reciprocal. 10 by 9. After multiplying the numerator part, you will be getting 1 lakh by 9. So finally, answer for this question is 1 lakh by 9 which is given in the option A. The next question, find the sum to infinity here which is a decreasing series 10 plus 5 plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 4 and so on up to infinity. In this range, you will have to find the sum of all the values. That is, let's find A is 10 here. What is R? R is 5 by 10 which is going to be 1 by 2. I am also cross checking with 5 by 2 divided by 5 which is 5 by 2 into 1 by 5 which is also 1 by 2. Now R's value which is clear and also R is less than 1. Now you can apply the formula of sum of infinity when R is less than 1 is A by 1 minus R. What to say here? A is 10. 1 minus R, 1 minus 1 by 2. What is 1 minus 1 by 2? 1 by 2. So finally 1 by 2. So 10 divided by 1 by 2 which is equal to 10 into 2 by 1. Finally my answer is 10 into 2, 20 which is given in the option B. The next question, find the sum to infinity, that is minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 which is going infinity. Here you will have to find the sum. So first of all, let's focus on the AR value. What is A? A is the first term being minus 2. What is the R? Taking the plus 1, that is the second term divided by the first term. So here you must know one fact, that is which can be written as 1 by minus 2 or also minus 1 by 2. Both are same. Whenever if a fraction is getting in front of that a negative sign, so it is common. Anywhere you can take. The denominator is possessing a Negative sign means it is applicable to the numerator also. In overall, that value is negative, that's all. So for easy calculation, for simplification purpose, always you can write down the negative symbol if there, which is presented in the denominator. Simply you can bring it to the numerator part. So simply I will say this is minus 1 by 2. Then you can also cross verify this with the third and second term. What is the third term? Minus 1 by 2, which is the third term, which should be divided by the second term. What is the second term? This plus 1. This is second term, right? This is third term. And this is first term. And this is fourth term. So you can take like that. These are all second, fourth are all positives, and first, third and fifth are having the negative value. So what is going to be the common ratio? So minus 1 by 2 is the third term divided by plus 1. So simply I will be getting minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1. So again I am getting minus 1 by 2. The common ratio for this problem is simply minus 1 by 2. Now let's solve it. Now what is the formula for this is summation of infinity when r is less than 1. Here also r is less than 1. Now you want to take the formula a by 1 minus r. What is a here? Minus 2. What is 1 here? You can take 1. What is r here? Minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Whenever you are meeting two negative values will give you a positive sign. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is simply 1 plus 2. What is 1 plus 2? 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. So we can take minus 2 by 3 by 2. So here in the denominator it is positive, here negative. So finally minus 2 into, you can take the reciprocal while multiplying. So finally minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 by 3, and that is my answer. Answer minus 4 by 3, which is given in the option A. The next problem, find the sum to infinity with the series root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 3 into root 3 and so on. Here the work is very simple if you know to calculate the common ratio. What is a, the first term, which is under root 3. What is r here? R is simply take the second term divided by the first term. So in order to make it multiplication symbol, you will have to take the reciprocal of root 3. What is the reciprocal of root 3? 1 by root 3. Finally 1 into 1 is 1. Root 3 into root 3 is simply 3. So finally from this point I come to know that r is simply 1 by 3. Also you can verify with the third and second term cross check. 1 by 3 root 3, which is the third term, divided by the second term 1 by root 3. For that, in order to make multiplication, can do multiply and take the reciprocal of the values. So root 3 will come up and 1 will go down. Now you can cancel these two parts. Finally 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 3. This proved. So r is 1 by 3 clearly. So a is root 3 and r is 1 by 3. Now the formula for infinity when r is less than 1. Yes, r is less than 1. A by 1 minus r. What is a here? Root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. What is 1 minus 1 by 3? Which is going to be 2 by 3 in the denominator, in the numerator root 3. Now you can simplify further. Root 3 into 3 by 2. What is the part under division? Has taken as a reciprocal with multiplication. So simply 3 here after root 3 by 2, that is given in the option D. It is 3 root 3 by 2. How means here usually under root 3 into 3 or 3 into under root 3 both are going to be the same, but in the mathematical rule usually we will be writing the whole number first, the irrational number next. Thus followed. So 3 under root 3 by 2 is the correct answer. The next question, find the next term of the GP minus 4, 12 and minus 36. Here the work is very easy. minus 4, 12, minus 36. One value is negative, another is positive, which means definitely the common ratio will be a negative one. So here A is minus 4 and R is what? Simply second term divided by the first term, which is going to be minus 3. That's all. So 3 by 1, if the denominator possesses the negative side, simply you can bring it to the numerator. Both are going to be the same. So R is minus 3. Only they are asking for the next term. Next term means simply you will have to multiply this minus 36 with the R. That is minus. This is another way of doing instead of the formula. So here minus 36 into minus 3. What is the result? That is the answer. So both the side negative symbol got cancelled. 36 into 3. 30 into 3, 90. 6 into 3, 18. So 90 plus 8. 108 is the answer, positive 108, which is given in the option C. The next one, in a GP, 5th term is 48 and 8th term is 384. Find the 6th term. Here, 5th term, what is the pattern of 5th term? Which is going to be A into R power 4. What is the next term is given? 8th term. 8th term can be rewritten as A into R power 7. What are the values? Which is equal to 48 here and here, which is 384. Simply you can divide both the equation. So here dividing, A got divided. So here R power 7 divided by R power 4, the power will get reduced. That is R 7 minus 4 is R power 3. Here you can divide 48 with 384. So here 12. 4 times 12 is 48. Here 3 times 12 is 36. Carry over to 2 times 12 is 24. Then 4 and 32 can be cancelled. 1 time here, 8 times. Simply you can write down 8. R cube is 8. What is R? R is going to be simply 2. That's all. So now we have found R. But the question is asking you to find the 6th term. So 6th term requires A also. So first of all, what is 6th term? A into R power 5. We know the value of R. So how to find A? Simply you want to substitute the value of R in the first or second equation. I am taking the first equation. A into R power 4 is equal to 48, which is given in the question. R we know 2. Simply you can substitute 2. What is 2 power 4? 2 power 4 is 16. Simply you can write A into 16 is 48. What is A? 16 one time. Here 3 times. Simply A is 3. Now we have found A is 3. That's all. After finding R and A, our work became very easy. 6th term will be 3 into 2 power 5. That's all. What is 2 power 5? 32. 3 into 32, which is going to be 96. And this is the answer for this question, which is given in the option C. The next question, find the sum of the GP 7, 21, 63, 109 up to 25 terms. This is the question is asking. So you'll have to find, looking at all the options there, you need to just solve few more steps to go. So let's solve it. So here A, which is equal to 7. What is R? Simply into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 3 is 63. This is enough. So R is 3 here up to 25 terms. So simply you can take sum of 25 terms, which is equal to when R is greater than 1. Here R is greater than 1. Right? So you want to take the formula in such a way. That is A into R power n minus 1, the whole divided by R minus 1. What is A here? Which is 7. What is R? Which is 3. 3 power 25 minus 1, the whole divided by 3 minus 1, which is going to be 2. That's all. Now looking at the option A is having 7 into 3 power 25 minus 1, the whole divided by 2. So this is the final answer. Simply these are all concept based questions. Once you are well versed in these concepts, it will not take you much time to solve these questions. Easily you can crack these questions and get marks. The next question, simplify 25 to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 81 plus up to infinity. Here you will have to solve these powers at first, then you can come to the base value. In front of you, 4 different options are given. So let's solve how to make this. So here 25 is in the base. Powers are given here. So we can simply write down this is 25 power k. So k is said to be having a series 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus 1 by 81 up to infinity. As of now, we have solved the sums. In the base itself, you will be dealing with the series. But here, which is given, the base is only one single value. It is having the pattern of series as its powers. So, first of all, you will have to simplify the power value to find what is the exact power. So, here k I have taken like that. So, whenever you are going through geometrical progression of the r value which is greater or less than 1, what will you do? Usually if the r is less than 1, simply you will be applying that a by 1 minus r for any infinite series. So let's check what is a here. A is first term 1 by 3. What is r? 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 3, which is, while multiplying, this 3 and 1 will interchange their position. Simply 1 by 3. Here r is also 1 by 3. So a is 1 by 3, r is 1 by 3, which is less than 1. So definitely you can take the formula for sum of infinity, which is equal to a by 1 minus r. What is a here? A is 1 by 3. What is 1 minus r? 1 minus r is directly 2 by 3, because 1 minus 1 by 3, 2. Directly I have taken. Now finally, what is the result? Denominator with denominator cancel. Write down the numerator part together. So 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? K is 1 by 2. So simply you can make what is 25 power k, which is 25 power 1 by 2. What is this actually? According to the surds and indices concept, when a power 1 by m, which is given, simply you will have to write square or cube root, whatever the m value, mth root of a. That's all. So, a power 1 by 3, which is given, cube root of a. So, another way of indicating the cube root or mth root, it is written as the 1 by power, that is fraction of power. So, here 1 by 2, which means what actually? Square root of 25. The square, the word said from 2. Square root of 25, which is what actually? 5. So, answer for this question is 5, which is given in the option D. The next question, find the value of 5 into 5 power 1 by 2 into 5 power 1 by 4 into 5 power 1 by 8 and so on up to 5 power infinity. So here, let me take first 5 power is 1, right? So it is to be taken by ourselves. So here the bases are all same, but the powers are different with the multiplication series. So in such a case, you can add up all the powers. The basic concepts of surds and indices says when a power m into a power n, which can be further simplified like this. So according to this concept, I am going to take all the values. So here 5 is on the base. I have taken 5 only one time. But here the first series having 1. Then in the second term, which is having 1 by 2. Third term 1 by 4. Then 1 by 8 up to infinity, because infinity is the final power. That's all. This is also similar to the previous one. So here 5 power k I can take. Now k is what actually? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinity. Solve k. With the help of geometric progression, you can do that. What is a here? A is 1. What is r? R is simply 1 by 2. Now, what is the summation of all the series up to infinity when r is less than 1? So, summation of infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r. What to say here? 1. What is 1 minus r? 1 minus 1 by 2. That is also 1 by 2. What is 1 divided by 1 by 2? Which is going to be 1 into 2 by 1. Directly I am taking 1 into 2. That is 2. That's all. Now 5 power k, I got k is 2. So what is the final answer? 5 square. 5 square is simply 25. Sometimes you may get the correct actual answer in the option, or else you may get in terms of powers. That is 5 power 2, 5 power 25 or 5 power 20 in the options. Among that you want to choose either 5 square or the actual answer based on the option given. Here the option C is holding the 25. So final answer is 25, option C. The next question, find the sum to infinity where the series is in the pattern of increasing pattern. Say for example 2, 4, 8, 16 up to infinity. Can you find the summation of the series? No, never. Why? Because it is the pattern of increasing series first. So in an increasing series, whatever may be the value of a, r will be greater than 1. So here 4 divided by 2, r is 2. So r is greater than 1. What is the standard formula of summation of infinite series? Which is equal to simply infinite when r is greater than 1. Why we are saying this is infinite but we are having some formula for r less than 1? Because where will you stop this series? This is infinite clearly. So 2, 4, 8, 16 and all. So here after that where will you stop? At 1024 can you stop? No. At 2048 can you stop? No, never. 4096 will you stop? No. After that some more values will be going. So it is going infinitely. So we are not able to find the final value. So it is not possible to make the summation of the series. So finally my answer for this question is infinite. That's all. In this session we have dealt with the practice problems on geometric progression. In the next session I will be coming with you with a new topic. Subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions.